Hi, everybody. Joe Cioffi here. Weather in a minute. Thursday, the 10th of April, and it's spring. And you may have heard me say often, spring is the most miserable time of year in the Northeast and Mid-Atlantic states. And one of the reasons why is that occasionally we have to deal with nor'easter type systems. And I think that's what we're going to be dealing with Friday and Saturday, and perhaps even for part of Sunday. Now, it's not going to be any kind of big storm. In fact, I think the rains will be rather beneficial because they'll be spread out over 48 hours. There will be some coastal flooding issues over the weekend because of high tides, and of course, the gloom and doom that goes with it. Clouds are increasing. We can see the energy that's now dropping from the western Great Lakes. That's going to drop southward into the deep south today and the Tennessee Valley. We're going to get severe thunderstorms out of this, and there are showers that are running out ahead of it. And you can see it here on the radar as of 12 noon. Mostly light showers, a few heavier bands in western Pennsylvania, down into West Virginia, and even a bit of a line of storms there that have formed on the southern tail of this. So look for some showers to maybe start sneaking in during this afternoon, particularly as we go into the evening hours. Then we're going to see the low form in the Appalachians gradually make its way toward the coast, and a steadier, heavier rain moves up the coast Friday night, last through at least part of Saturday. And yeah, that's some blue that you see up in parts of the Hudson Valley. Maybe in some elevated areas, it may actually be cold enough for a little wet snow. Sunday, the question is, does the low get out of the way to allow for some drying to come in on northerly winds? That's the big question. I think at least half the day will be gloom and doom, but maybe we get some improvement from west to east during the afternoon and evening.